Assalamualaikum and hi guys, in this video I'll share with you on how to display a text on dot matrix using Blynk app with Arduino. I'm using Arduino, ESP Wi-Fi shield and dot matrix. You can refer our tutorial displaying on Mat7219 dot matrix using Arduino for wiring connection. For programming part, I program both board which is Arduino and ESP Wi-Fi shield. Arduino doesn't have enough memory to manage the Blynk and dot matrix library at the same time. Please take note that this way will override the default firmware on ESP Wi-Fi shield. This tutorial involves Blynk library, MD Mat72XX and MD Parola. So, you need to install all these first before we proceed to the next step. Please follow this step to program the ESP Wi-Fi shield using Arduino. First, open a blank sketch and upload to Arduino. This is to make sure that the Arduino is not running any program. Next, connect the ESP Wi-Fi shield to Arduino. Change both mini jumper to USB. Slide the switch to flash mode. Then, install board ESP8266 in Arduino. Choose generic ESP8266 module board and related port. Next, copy and paste the sample code that we have shared in our tutorial. Replace this with your Blynk auth token. Write the SSID and the password. Then, upload the program. Last but not least, done uploading, change back the mini jumper to pin D2 and D3. Slide the switch to run mode. Great! Now we have settled on ESP Wi-Fi shield part. Now we will program the Arduino. Use the sample code that we have prepared and upload it into the Arduino. Don't forget to choose the board as Arduino Uno. Now, remove the USB and connect the dot matrix. Please make sure the connection is correct and reconnect the USB. This sample program will make ESP Wi-Fi shield to manage Blynk. It will transfer the received text message from Blynk to Arduino through serial communication and display the text on the dot matrix. That's all for today. Good luck and thank you for watching.